Are you searching for the perfect digital livestock scale that actually delivers on quality, durability, and real value for your money? Whether you're in the USA or anywhere around the globe, choosing the right product can be confusing when there are so many options out there. In today's review, I'll break down the top 5 best digital livestock scales in detail, covering its key features, build quality, performance, installation process, and the real pros and cons you should know before buying. My goal is to give you a clear idea of what makes this product stand out, what limitations it has, and whether it's truly worth your investment. So, if you've been thinking about upgrading or purchasing the best digital livestock scale, make sure you watch this video till the end. It will save you time, money, and help you make a smarter buying decision. And if you want to know the latest price or more details, check out the links in the description box below. Without any further delay, let's get started. Starting off our list with something impressive, number 5 brings strong value for the money and a reputation that's hard to ignore. At number 5, Houseables large dog and livestock digital scale, heavy-duty pet and animal weighing platform. It's not just popular, it's practical, and perfect for those who want dependable quality without breaking the bank. The Houseables large dog and livestock digital scale offers a steady and roomy platform that makes weighing pets and farm animals far easier for owners who want reliable readings at home or in a small barn. It uses a simple digital display that keeps the process stress-free for animals who may not enjoy long handling. The stainless platform feels strong and stable, which helps big pets stay calm during weigh-ins. This makes it helpful for tracking health progress feeding plans or recovery needs. The scale works well for dogs, goats, sheep, and similar animals, which gives it wide, everyday value for families, hobby farmers, and small clinics. A clear advantage is the sturdy build that holds up against regular use, and the smooth surface that cleans quickly after messy sessions. Another plus is the low-profile shape that lets nervous animals step on with less hesitation. A real drawback is that the platform may feel heavy to move often, and the power cord can limit placement in some rooms. The display is also basic, which may not suit users who prefer advanced tracking features. Even with these limits, the scale delivers dependable performance for anyone who needs accurate and convenient weighing at a fair price. It is a practical choice for long-term care and routine checkups that support healthier animals with less effort. Click the link in the description box to learn more details at any time. Moving up the list, number 4 is where design meets innovation. Coming in at number 4, we have SellEton SL-929 Livestock Alleyway Scale, heavy-duty animal weighing equipment with dual ramps. Known for its cutting-edge features and solid performance that users around the world are loving. The SellEton SL-929 Livestock Alleyway Scale is a strong and dependable option for farmers who need steady and accurate weighing for cattle, goats, and other large animals in a busy working area. It offers a long and open platform with dual ramps that let animals walk through with less stress, which helps keep the process smooth for both the handler and the herd. The frame feels solid and stable, which is important for safety and for consistent readings during daily use. This makes it useful for monitoring growth, planning feed adjustments, and managing the overall health of farm animals with more confidence. A key benefit is the simple digital display that gives clear numbers without distractions, while the rugged build handles dirt, moisture, and heavy movement around the barn. Another advantage is the easy walk-through design that reduces hesitation in nervous animals. A real downside is that the unit is large and may be challenging to move or store in small barns, and it may require more setup time than smaller scales. It is also a bigger investment which may not suit hobby farmers who only need light use. Even with these limits, the scale delivers dependable performance for serious livestock management and supports better long-term decisions for herd health. It is a practical choice for farms that want accuracy, reliability, and safe daily workflow in one complete setup. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're halfway there, and number 3 is truly something special. At number 3, Togahow Digital Livestock and Pet Scale, heavy-duty 1,100-pound stainless steel platform for dogs, sheep, and pigs. It brings together durability, comfort, and style, making it a go-to choice for thousands of happy customers globally. The Togahow Digital Livestock and Pet Scale offers a sturdy stainless platform that gives animal owners a practical way to track weight changes for dogs, sheep, pigs, and similar animals with steady accuracy and simple operation. It is built with a heavy-duty frame that stays stable during use, which helps calm larger or nervous animals as they step on for quick readings. The digital display is easy to read, and it keeps the weighing process straightforward for daily care feeding decisions and routine health checks at home or in a small farm setting. A strong benefit of this scale is its wide and smooth surface that cleans easily after messy sessions, along with a reliable weight capacity that supports both small pets and heavier livestock. Another plus is the low-profile design, which makes it easier for animals to walk on without much hesitation. A real drawback is that the platform can feel heavy to move often, and it may take up more floor space than expected in small rooms. The display also offers basic functions which may not meet the needs of users who want advanced tracking tools. Even with these limitations, the scale provides solid long-term value for families and farm owners who want consistent performance without complicated setup or maintenance. It is a useful choice for anyone who wants accurate readings and a stable platform that supports healthier and more informed animal care. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Alright, we're getting close to the top, and this next one could easily be number one for many people. Taking the second spot at number 2, Bonvoisin Large Dog and Pet Scale, 1,100 pounds non-slip stainless platform for dogs, sheep, and livestock. Premium build, next-level performance, and user satisfaction that speaks for itself. The Bonvoisin Large Dog and Pet Scale offers a steady stainless platform that gives pet owners and small farm users a simple and dependable way to track the weight of dogs, sheep, and other livestock with clear readings and a calm weighing experience. Its non-slip surface helps animals feel safer as they step on, which reduces hesitation and makes daily checkups smoother for both the handler and the animal. The wide platform supports many sizes and stays stable even when larger pets or active livestock move during the process. This makes it useful for monitoring growth, adjusting feeding plans, and keeping a closer eye on long-term health needs with less guesswork. A strong advantage is the solid build that handles frequent use and cleans easily after muddy or messy sessions, while the digital display is clear enough for quick daily tasks. A real drawback is that the scale can be heavy to pick up and may take some effort to move around rooms or barns. It also offers basic features only which may not meet the needs of users who want advanced tracking options or app support. Even with these limits, it remains a practical choice for families, groomers, and small farms that want a reliable and long-lasting tool for routine animal care without a complex setup. It delivers good value for anyone who wants a stable, trustworthy, and easy-to-maintain platform for everyday weighing. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the one that truly deserves the top spot. At number 1, Vimokco Precision Large Dog Scale, 1,100 pounds non-slip stainless steel platform for pets and livestock. It's the ultimate choice for anyone who values quality, reliability, and real-world excellence. No wonder it's the top-rated product this year. The Vemoko Precision Large Dog Scale is a reliable and sturdy solution for anyone who needs to weigh dogs, pets, or small livestock with ease and confidence. Its heavy-duty stainless steel platform provides a stable non-slip surface that helps animals feel secure while stepping on, making routine weighing less stressful for both the handler and the animal. The scale supports up to 1,100 pounds, which accommodates a wide range of pets and livestock, and its clear digital display ensures quick and accurate readings for daily monitoring. This makes it ideal for tracking growth, adjusting feeding routines, or keeping a closer eye on overall animal health without any complicated setup. One of the main advantages of this scale is its solid build and long-lasting durability, which makes it perfect for frequent use on farms, veterinary clinics, or at home. It is also easy to clean after use, which helps maintain hygiene and reduces maintenance efforts. On the downside, the scale is quite heavy and may require two people to move or reposition comfortably, and it does not include advanced features such as app connectivity or automatic data logging, which might be a limitation for tech-focused users. Overall, it is a practical and dependable choice for anyone seeking a simple, accurate, and safe weighing solution for pets and livestock. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.